Hello everyone, welcome to your Tahiti Dance Minutes class with me, teacher Bea. Today we are going to do an Ote'a drum song. It's going to be a great cardio workout. For those not subscribed yet, click on the subscribe button and the notification bell. Let's go, let's get moving. Ready? So let's start with the hands. And we go, hands on the hips. Raise the right hand up. Good. And we're going to open to the right side. If you are two teams dancing together, you can do one team opening the hands after the other. Switch to the left. From there, I'm going to close my fist and go right, left, right, left. From there, I'm going to kiss, open, big, right side. Kiss, open, big, left side. Yes. All right, so let's repeat again. Ready? Hands on the hips, right hand up, open to the right, extend your hands, switch side, open to the left, close your fingers, twist 2, 3, 4, and then kiss, wide open, right, kiss, wide open, left. Very good. So again, ready? Hands up. Switch, right open. Switch, left open. Twist right, left. Open, right side. Kiss, left side. Very good. Do the steps. Point your foot, raise the right hand, turn to your left. From there, open to the right. Ready? And we go hip, hip. Raise your right hip up. Switch. Open to the left. Raise your left hip up. Left hip up. Good. From there, I'm going to twist. Twist your hips in a figure 8 varu. And I turn on the second twist. From here, I'm going to kiss. Tamau 2, 3, 4. Move to the front. Turning 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 counts. 1, 2, 3 to the back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Turning to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 counts each. Yes. So again, ready? Raise your right hand. Turn to the left. Point. Open your hand to the right. And hit right hip up. Right hip up. Switch. Open to the left. Hit left hip up. Left hip up. Good. From there, I'm going to twist varu. Figure 8, 1, 2, and then turn to your left. Go back, back, front. Good. From there, I'm going to kiss to the front. Eitama. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn right. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. Go back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. Let's carry on. So we go kiss to the right. Cross your hands to the chest. Kiss to the left. Cross your hands to the chest. Pose right side. Pose left side. Hand behind your ear. From here, I'm going to kiss again, cross, kiss, cross, pose right, pose left. Yes. So again, and kiss to the right, close, kiss to the left, close, pose right, pose left, kiss to the right, close, kiss to the left. You got it. Close, pose right, and left. Let's go for the next hands motion. So we go open to the right and open to the left. Down all the way up, touch your fingers. And we go again, down, all the way up, touch your fingers. From there, I'm going to pose. My hand is on my forehead. And I switch left side, right side. Bottom, all the way up, close. All the way up, close. Great. From there, I'm going to pose. Let's repeat. Open to the right, open to the left. Bottom, all the way up, all the way up. From there, I'm going to pose. My hand is on my forehead. And I switch left side, right side. Bottom, up. Repeat. Good. And I'm going to pose with the other elbow, the right elbow. So let's do the steps. Ready? Hands on the hips and we go. Right foot, amaha. Kiss. Stay here. Ruru, tremble your hips, legs straight. Switch left foot, kiss. Close your hands on the chest and tremble the hips. From there, stay one foot front, right foot, ope, roll one big circle to the right. Switch, left circle. Make sure to roll front and back. Kiss again. Close, shake the hips. Kiss, ruru, shake the hips. Ope, roll to the right. Ope, roll front, left. Great. From there, 1, 2, 3, 2 step. Roll your hips. 1, 2, 3, 8. Roll your hips. Good. Go to the back. 1, 2, 3, 8. Roll your hips fast. 1, 2, 3, 8. Farapu, roll your hips. Make a circle with your hips at each time. And from there, we go left elbow. We are going to do afata, the square. Draw a box with your hip. Left front, left back, right front. Make a square with those hips. So again, left, back, front. You got this. So we are going to do the same to the right later on. Show me again. So we go right front, back, the four corners, front. Yes, we got the afata. So face here, left front, back, front. Awesome. Then we face to the front and we go to the left. Open to the left 2 times. Roll your hips. Open to the right 2 steps. Roll your hips. Go to the back, left side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Roll your hips. 1, 2, 3, 4. Farapu roll. Yes. Face to the right. Ready? Right front, right back, front. Good. So let's repeat again. Kiss to the right. Tremble. Kiss to the left. Tremble those hips. Ope, roll your hip to the right. Roll your hip to the left. Kiss again. Repeat. Tremble. Kiss to the left. Tremble. Roll right. Roll left. Horo to the side. 2 steps. Roll your hips. 2 steps. Roll your hips. Go to the right. Roll your hips. Go to the left. Roll your hips. Afata left, back, front. Good. Face left side. Roll. Right side. Roll. Turn to your right. Go to the left side. Roll. Right side. Roll. Afata right front, right back, front. Yes. So let's repeat again. Kiss to the right. Tremble. Kiss to the left. Tremble those hips. Ope, roll your hip to the right. Roll your hip to the left. Kiss again. Repeat. Tremble. Kiss to the left. Tremble. Roll right. Roll left. Horo to the side. 2 steps. Roll your hips. 2 steps. Roll your hips. Go to the right. Roll your hips. Go to the left. Roll your hips. Afata left. Left, back, back, front. Good. Face, left side. Roll. Right side. Roll. Turn to your right. Go to the left. Left side. Roll. Right side. Roll. Afata right. Right front. Right back. Back. Front. Yes. Well done on today's Ote'a drum dance. Tell me how it was for you. Did you have a great workout? I hope so. Come and join me for more classes. You have the link below, tahitidancefitness.com. Giant kisses your way and see you soon. Bye.